Hello guys, welcome to my safety class. Today we have just discussed about the work permit system. What is work permit system in safety line? Whenever you go to any facility or work locations, you have to have a valid work permit with you. Just like a license, when you are eligible for driving only when you have a valid license. A similar case is with the safety line as well. So according to the general instructions of the world-renowned company Saudi ARAMCO, you have to have a valid work permit if you want to work on any sites. So what does it mean? We have suppose there is a code mentioned on the written document that is General Instruction 2.100. So it refers to a work permit system all the time. So basically we have several work permits for the workers. And why we use work permits for the workers? Because it is the eligibility criteria, whether you have been able to do work or not. Okay? So it is an authorization of the company or the organization. So if you do not have a valid work permit, the company would not allow you, or as a safety officer, you would not allow your worker to work at site or any location if he or she doesn't have a valid work permit. So we will discuss about the 5 major work permits today. That is a confined space work permit, number 1. The second would be hot permit. The third would be cold permit. And the fourth one is equipment permit or line breakage permit. That is in regard with the dealing with all kind of equipment. So we're going to discuss it later one by one. But you need to understand that work permit system is basically authorization for the worker. It is a kind of approved authorization letter for the workers to work safely on the site. Because if the person is not able to work that activity or perform that particular work, he is actually incompetent person. So you have to have a competent person on the specific work locations. That is why work permit is very important in safety administration. Thank you.